All right, everyone, let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, my second graders, go! Morning, second grade. Excellent to have you back with me on this catch-up Friday. Let's dive right in and see what we need to accomplish for everything that we've done this week. All right, you found my video right here. Very good. We have a morning meeting today at 9 o'clock, which is a share time, so please bring something that you'd like to share with the rest of the class. Morning work, there are none. You need to finish any missing morning work from the week. ELA time. I'd like you to read this out for 30 to 40 minutes today. You can choose a book that you have, or you can go into Raz Kids and choose from the book room there. Once you're done with that, you need to finish up any other ELA work that you are missing from the week. Writing. Finish up your creative writing, and then you can go ahead and submit that. Your special today is music, so check out the classwork tab. There it is. And he has put a link in here that has a bunch of YouTube videos that you can go check out. So please make sure you're getting to your special today or any of your other specials that you may have not seen this week, especially the read aloud. Mrs. Goodwin has fixed that, and there is a new one in here for you. Hammer and nails. All right, back to the stream. After that, you have lunch and recess. Definitely make sure you get outside. I cannot believe the awesome weather that we've been having this week, so please get outside and enjoy it. Once you are done with that, math, finishing up any math that you may have missed from the week, and science. Please finish up any science that you have not completed, which is also about the weather. And remember, we can look in the classwork tab under View Your Work to see if you have missing assignments from the week. An A student, he really has a lot of stuff to catch up on. For stuff like, I want to go find our science, because there is a way to turn it in. I figured it out. Weather, there it is. So we'll view the details for this one. You can click the turn in button right here if you are totally done with it. Okay? All right, second grade. That's what I've got for you today. I look forward to seeing you all at 9 o'clock a.m. for a little bit of share time, and we'll enjoy the weekend. All right. Have a great day, everybody.